Okay. Wow, much better. Nice and clear. Okay. Wow. Ito na talaga, oh. Ilang feet balo to?
Mga 5 na daw yan, sir.
5 na.
Mga 5 na? 6.
Wala pang 6 na. Deep well, kailangan lagyan ng valve, lagyan ng floating switch sa loob. So, we have to contact the people who went down there at the bottom of the well to put the floating switch with the wire. At the same time, kailangan may electrician dito sa taas para pag kinabit yung switch, automatic i-connect na sa system. So yan. Then, these pipes have to be laid out all the way. You have to cover it from rain. Otherwise, bibigay siya. Hindi siya tatagal. Masisira siya. Okay, so that one, you see the post. Okay, si Nilo will do this. Okay? So the house is, we need to fix that. Okay. We need to retrofit it. Okay? Nalinis na to, di ba? Pero ayaw. Yung loob yung problema. Okay, ano to? Fish pond. Pero tabingi. Whew. Okay. We're take out this. Ito, fish pond. Tsaka, wait.